Hi, your Facebook account has been hacked and you can't open it. This video is for you. I will teach you how to recover a hacked Facebook account. And when this video reaches 1,000 likes, I will make a video about the safety of your Facebook account so that your Facebook account don't get hacked. So make sure to hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe.
Yes,
so let's get started. Hi guys, so I'll show you first my Facebook account hack. As you can see, I can't open my Facebook account because it's hacked. So this is on how to recover your Facebook account hack. First things to do, go to Chrome if your phone is Android and go to Safari if your phone is iPhone. If you're done, make a new tab and search this. Now click this. Then click this. So in this, type the email or phone number you use in your Facebook account that hacked. If you're done, click this. Now, choose any of this button and you can scroll down and click this See More to choose more button. If you're done to choose, click this Continue button. Now, check the notification you chose. If you're done, put the code here. Then click this. Now put your new password here. If you're done, click this. Then click this. So your Facebook account now is recovered. Let's open it on my Facebook app. So it's worked. So that's for all in this video. Subscribe for more. See you again on my next video. Thank you so much for watching until the end.